أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn the new surah, that is Surah Al-Fajr, okay, which has 30 ayahs, but we will learn only 16 ayahs today inshallah. Remaining we will learn tomorrow inshallah. Okay, first I'm going to recite these 16 ayahs. After that let's look into Tajweed rulings inshallah. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والفجر وليال عشر والشفع والوتر والليل إذا يسر هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب إن ربك لبالمرصاد فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings of each ayahs here. And number 1, Wal Fajr. Okay, Wal Fajr. Waw is connected to this lam of word Al-Fajr. Okay, Wal Fajr. Ra has kasra, but while stopping we are going to add sakin to it. And the letter before that sakin letter is also sakin, that is Jim sakina, which should be pronounced with the qalqala, right? And the letter before it is fatha, so the ra sakin while stopping will be heavier, like wal fajr, ro, heaviness, not wal fajr, is light, ro, it is heavier. But don't do qalqala on ra due to this Jim sakina, because we do qalqala on Jim, right? Wal fajr, والفجر okay والفجر وليال عشر وليال ya for to count all for one haraka وليال tanween followed by ayn, therefore just izhar which no extra gunna وليال عشر ayn not ashr, it is a عشر. Again ra, which will convert to ra sakina while stopping, will be heavier. Why? The letter before it is heavy, sorry, it is sakin, and the letter before that has fatha, that is why ra sakin will be heavier. walayalin ashr washaf'i wal watr washaf'i. Waw is connected to this sheen, this tajdeed on waw is due to idgham. If we connect both ayahs, okay, washaf'i ayn wal watr, watr ta with hams, wal watr, okay, again this ra sakina will be heavier while stopping because here there is fatha on it. washaf'i wal watr والليل إذا يسر والليل Again, waw is connected to lam of word al-layl, and we're not going to read this hamzatul wasl. Wal-layli, not layli. A sound should not be there for yaleen. Wal-layli. Idha, no buzzing sound, 2 count. Idha yasru. Ra sakin heavier again. Don't make this light in all the places, okay? Yasru. هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر. هل في 2 count. ذلك, not ذلك. ذلك, no buzzing sound. قسم لذي. Qaf should be heavier, not a qa, it is a qa, and also don't pronounce it like a kha. Okay, it is a qasamun, tanween followed by lam, idgham, which no gunna at all, just qasamul, not mun, qasamul lidhi, 2 count, no buzzing sound. Hijr, this ha is sharper, jim with the qalqala, ra sakin will be light. Hijr, hijr, okay, hijr. Ra sakin will be light while stopping. هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد. ألم, ميم ساكن, إظهار الشفوي, no extra غنة. ألم تر, را heavier. ألم تر كيف, not كيف or كيف, كيف. ألم تر كيف فعل. There are 2 fas, don't miss them. كيف فعل, فعل, 1 count, and ain must be clear. Don't recite fala, fala. It is فعل. ألم تر كيف فعل, فعل ربك, ra heavier. بعاد. Ain, it should be pronounced clearly, not like Hamza. And while stopping, dal will acquire temporary sukoon. We will apply madul arid li sukoon. That can be stretched for either 2 count, 4 count, or 6, but we are just keeping it for haraka, inshallah. And dal with the qalqala, okay? Bi'ad, with the qalqala while stopping. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد. إرم ذات العماد. إرم, إرم, را heavier, all 1 count. إرم ذاتي, ذاتي, ذال with no buzzing sound. It is not a ذاتي, ذات العماد. عين, not E, it should be E, okay? And while stopping again, we will apply madul arid li sukoon. That can be stretched for 2, 4, or 6 count, but we are just keeping it 4. Again, dal sakina with the qalqala. إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد. التي, this will carry fatha, right? Next letter is lam, therefore hamzatul wasl will carry fatha. التي لم, no extra gunna, izhar al-shafawi. يخلق, you can see this kha is from throat and this from your tongue. You should not pronounce them same. This is a kha, very crispier sound. This is a qa, very soft sound. يخلق with the qalqala. التي لم يخلق مثلها. Myth, not miss. Miss, sa. مثلها في 2 haraka, but well, next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. We are cancelling ya maddiya and reciting fil, okay? Fil bilad. Again, while stopping madul arid li sukoon, which we are stretching for 4 count, and also qalqala on dal sakina. التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد. وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد. وثمود, not samuda, ثمود, okay? وثمود الذين, not الذين, no buzzing sound here. وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر. This ba with dhamma followed by waw sakina is waw mad actually, okay? While stopping we will recite وَثَمُودَ الَّذِينَ جَابُوا. okay, but while continuation we will ignore all the letters which has no haraka on it, no sign, no sound. This alif is an extra alif which comes with this waw, and Hamzat al-Wasl is not recited, Lam ash-Shamsiya is not recited, so directly connect this ba to this Sad. No any letter in between which has no signs will be recited, okay? Waw, alif, Hamzat al-Wasl and Lam. Just recite bus, bus, making Sad heavier as it is a heavy letter. Jabu Sakhra, sa, not a sa, Sakhra, ra heavier. Bilwad, bil, ba is connected to lam of word al-wad, bilwad, stopping with madul arid lisukun, stretching for 4 haraka, and dal sakina with qalqala. وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد. وفرعون, ra sakin is light here in the word Fir'auna, and don't recite it Firan, it is a Fir'auna. Ain is here, not Hamza. Fir'auna, not Ona. Fir'auna, zi, dal with no buzzing sound, and ya sakin is ya mad here, but we are not reading it due to Hamzatul Wasl. Connect dal to lam. Zil Autad, not autad, aw kind of sound for wawlin, and while stopping again madul arid lisukun and qalqala on letter dal. وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد. الذين, no الذين, no buzzing sound. الذين طغوا, ta is heavy, and the ghain is also heavy. طغوا, don't say طغوا, gho is wrong, aw sound should be there. طغوا fi, ya maddiya, but we are going to cancel due to Hamzatul Wasl. طغوا fil bilad, same thing again, while stopping we'll do madul arid lisukun, stretching for 4 haraka, dal sakina with qalqala. الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد. فأكثروا, فأك, kaf with hams, tha with no buzzing, no whistling sound. فأكثروا, ra is heavy. Ra with fatha, you're all making it heavier, but with dhamma many of you are reciting it like ru. It's not ru, it is ru, okay? فأكثروا فيها, fi to haraka, ha is also to count, but we are not reciting that alif maddiya due to iltaqa sakinain ruling, where alif maddiya gets cancelled due to the next words beginning with Hamzatul Wasl, okay? Fi hal, not hal, fi hal fasad, stopping with madul arid lisukun and dal with qalqala, okay? فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب. فصب, not a سب, صا heavy, صب, فصب عليهم, عين عا, not عليهم, عليهم, no extra غنة, إظهار الشفوي. عليهم ربك, ra heavy, ربك سوط, so not so, سوط, ta is heavy again. سوط عذاب, Ain should be clear, Zal with no buzzing sound, and Ba with the qalqala, and stopping with Madul Arid Lisukun, which has the duration of either stretching 2 haraka or 4 count or 6, right? We are just keeping it 4. فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ سَوْطَ عَذَابٍ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَبِالْمِرْصَادِ. Inna, noon mushaddad to count gunna. Rabbaka, not rabbaka, ra. Inna rabbaka labil mirsad. Ba is connected to lam of the word al mirsad, okay, and this ra sakina here will be heavier. You can see there is kasra before this ra sakina, due to which it should be light, right? But still it is heavy because of that exceptional ruling where ra sakin is followed by a heavy letter, huruf al-musta'aliya carrying fatha. So to make that sad heavy is compulsory. That is the permanent sifat of sad, isti'ala, right? If we make this ra sakina light due to this ruling of kasra, then it will be difficult to pronounce the sad heavily. Therefore, we should make this ra sakin heavy as well, just to make sure that we recite sad heavily, because if we make it light, it will convert to sin. Okay, these are the very heavy letters, ta, za, sad and dad. You have to make it heavy, and it is permanent sifat of it. Just because of that, we are making this ra sakin heavy now, not mir but mirsad. Okay, exceptional ruling of ra sakina where it will be heavier, and while stopping madul arid li sukun, which we will strike for 4 count, and qalqala on dal sakina. إن ربك لبالمرصاد فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن فأما fa and hamza, pronounce that separately. Don't recite famma, famma. Okay, fa amma. Mim mushaddad to count gunna. Alif mad is cancelled now due to the next word beginning with hamzatul wasl connected directly to lam. Fa ammal insanu, ikhfa here. Insanu, idha, no buzzing sound. Idha mabtalahu, this is ma, but alif mad is cancelled due to this hamzatul wasl. Connect mim to ba. Mabtalahu rabbuhu, ra heavy, ha for 2 haraka, madal sila sughra. Rabbuhu fa akramahu, fa ak, kaf with hams, akramahu, ra heavier. Fa akramahu ونعمه ain should be emphasized. Don't recite like wana'a. Put a stress on it. Wana'amah. You can stop here as there is this 5 sign here. 5 is referred to as an ending of an ayah, which is also called as ayat-e kufi. Okay, if you want to stop, it is okay, but due to this lam alif, if you want to continue, that is also better, as you have a choice. You can either continue or you can stop. Okay, if you want to continue, you will recite وَنَعَمَهُ فَيَقُولُ, but while stopping, this dhamma, inverted dhamma, that is madal sila sughra, will be converted into sakina. Okay, وَنَعَمَهُ فَيَقُولُ, not khulu, qulu rabbi, ra heavy. Ba here is with ya maddiya, mad al jaiz munfasil, because next word is starting with hamza. Rabbi 4 haraka. Rabbi akraman, ak, kaf with hams, ra heavy. While stopping, this noon kasra will be converted to noon sakina. Temporary sukoon is applied, but we cannot apply madul arid li sukoon as there is no huruf al mad before that letter, right? So just man, noon sakin with izhar, inshallah. فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن وأما pronounce each letter separately. Don't read like wamma. Okay, وأما ميم مشدد to count غنة مد الجائز منفصل 4 حركة mad due to hamza, right? Huruf al-mad is followed by hamza now. Separate word. إذا, dal with no buzzing sound. Mabtalahu, same thing. Mim is connected to ba with qalqala. مبتلاه فقدر. Qaf is heavy in this word. All the other letters are light. فقدر. Yeah, ra is also heavy as it has fatha on it, right? But all for one count. فقدر. فقدر. عليه, not عليه, لي. عليه رزقه. رز should have that buzzing sound in it. رزق, not a kha. رزقه. 2 count while continuation, but while stopping, ha sakina. رزقه. فيقول, not khulu. قولوا ربي. Ra heavier. Mad al jaiz munfasil here, which can be stretched for 4 haraka. This is separated hamza mad, right? Mad al jaiz munfasil. 4 count. Ahanan. Ha from last part of the throat. The sound should be very blunt, not sharp. Ha nan. Stopping with noon, converting into noon kasra, converting into noon sakina. But we can't apply madul arid li sukun as there is no huruf al mad over there. Just stop it like aha nan. Okay, with idhar inshallah. وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن. Alhamdulillah, that's it. We have completed 16 ayahs of Surah Al-Fajr. Remaining 14 inshallah we will learn tomorrow. Okay, so if you have any doubts related to tajweed rulings of these ayahs, you can ask me inshallah. After that, let's recite this for many times. Any doubts in these? I'm gonna turn your mics on first inshallah.
Alhamdulillah, no doubts.
Okay, let's end the meeting. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.